Hello everyone, I am back with another interesting video on Upshot.ai use case. One popular mobile game gave its users options to watch third-party ads within the game to earn in-game currency or coins that could be used to buy in-game products. The users can also directly make an in-app purchase of these products with real money. If an in-game product costs 300 coins to buy, then the user has to watch 10 ads to earn that, or they can directly pay $1 and buy the product. Rather than making users watch third-party ads within the game, the team wanted to have more users make in-app purchases, leading to more revenue and increased customer lifetime value. But the challenge was users were more inclined to watch ads to earn coins rather than make a direct purchase. This led users to get exposed to other games via ads and the possibility of them downloading those games. Also, the ads revenue was less than the revenue generated when a user directly buys. So here's the solution. The Upshot.ai customer success team used the tutorials module in Upshot.ai to create GIF files that would talk about the benefits of an in-game product, attach an offer to it, and present it to the gamers when it is time for them to upgrade their weapons, gear, and utilities. So a collection of images, each one talking about the product's capability, the offer details exclusive to the user are converted into a GIF and played within the game. The last part of the video was an image with a buy button that would auto-apply the discount and launch the in-app purchase window. Guess the result. Within a month, we were able to achieve 4.5x increase in in-app purchases. If you also want to witness similar growth in your in-app purchases, contact us.